Welcome to this Gophermods video. I'm Case Perfida, owner and founder of Gophermods. Today, I'm going to talk to you about available cell phone repair services at our 6 Minneapolis locations here in Minnesota. Gophermods was started in 2010 at the University of Minnesota, and we currently specialize in iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and cell phone repair services. We currently repair around 20,000 devices per year at our retail locations for individual customers, businesses, and schools across the country. All cell phone repairs include a standard 1-year warranty, which covers any defects in the parts or any issues with our label while we service your phone. In addition to our standard 1-year warranty, we have additional damage protection plans available starting at $20 for most cell phones. At Gophermods, we repair all cell phones. Whether you have a cracked screen, bad battery, phone's not charging, or you gotta wiggle it just right to get it to charge, chances are one of our locations can repair that for you. No repair service at Gophermods requires an appointment. You can simply walk in to any one of our 6 Minneapolis locations across the cities. For a complete list of our stores, you can find that above on the link labeled Stores. In the event we're unable to repair your cell phone, starting in 2018, Gophermods now offers certified pre-owned cell phones. All these devices are backed with a warranty and a free return period. So if you're just not satisfied, you can bring it back for an exchange or a full refund. For a complete list of all certified pre-owned devices available, stop by any one of our stores near you. Thank you for watching this brief video about cell phone repair services offered by Gophermods. If you have any questions, you may send us an email through the form that should be located on this page. You can also reach out to us on Facebook. We typically respond in a few hours, or you can stop by any one of the 6 conveniently located Gophermods across the metro area. Thanks for visiting Gophermods. We look forward to helping you with your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, or cell phone repair needs.